hour?
I've seen. I like flashes.
He was flying the heck out of it yesterday. Flew like 5 times.
Good.
And then Darren had a medium. Well, you don't know.
Your next airplane.
No. I like to watch them. I don't want one.
Me too. I know when you start adding zeros to the price.
And all the stinky fuel and yeah.
Oh, fuel's not so bad. Here, see?
I flew nitro for almost all my flying career so far, so.
I know, I've been like grudgingly getting into electric. I mean, there's a lot of nice things about electric, but yeah, I've got so many nitro planes at home that it's.
Yeah, I converted in 2008, but I'd been flying nitro and gas a lot before that.
You know, I remember when with my first car when the radio broke.
Mm-hmm.
I had the big decision: stick with 8-track or buy a cassette.
Oh, really?
I went with the cassette.
Yeah, you gotta upgrade eventually. Now cars don't even come with CD players anymore. Uh-oh. There's some speed. Yo. No, it's not. I think he was trying to do, trying to keep it level.
Of course, this is a whole different level for me.
It's different. Yeah.
A couple levels more.
He's right around half throttle. Right by the houses. Is it right by the houses?
Okay, good. Yeah. There's one steak and I'm hungry. Robert?
Yeah, looking great.
Ray?
Yo. Yes, please. Where are you going?
We're gonna queue him up here.
Oh yeah, cool.
You guys want hamburgers?
Amazing.
Yes, that's good. Flashes are cool. I like a flash.
Sure, if you go
It's stinky.
People with their small eyes. He wants to sell it.
He does?
People with the small eyes.
He wants to sell this?
Yeah, because it's brand new too. Because he's like, I can't see it.
Don't be so cocky. In a few years, you'll be an all-purpose person with small eyes as well.
Actually, probably sooner because he's looking at computers more than we are.
That's true. Yeah.
I'm getting dizzy. He's flying in circles. This is new. This is a new field for him, so he's getting the feel for it.
This is really
some rain
you see,
maneuvers.
That's a perfect jet. If I ever
Because
get
it does
jet,
everything perfect.
Yeah.
Fast,
Get
slow,
it.
doesn't
Love
matter.
it, right? You should get one right now.
I'm not getting one.
Perfect.
Buy it.
Perfect size. That's a perfect size as well.
No, it's a car?
Yeah.
Don't get a jet. Mom's gonna.
He's gonna land it.
Doing his gear check. Smart to do.
But these are electric gears. These aren't even pneumatic, which is.
That's way better.
Yeah.
I prefer that.
Well, actually, he had an issue with his
They used to be the way to go, but every plane I've seen with the gear problems has been pneumatic.
Do you know Dantley?
Yeah. I haven't seen him fly
He
though.
also always tell me how he never liked it because it's one more electronic.
Right.
It could interfere EMI. I don't.
There you go. Look at that. Very nice.
Very nice.
Whoa! Tokyo Drift!
Did the thing again.
Show
Get
up.
Loctite it in.
It's in a race car.
Oh, it's fun.
Look, it did it again.
Yeah, it came loose.
Did you do the other side yesterday?
No, it torqued. That's why it turned. It wasn't. That wasn't me. It torqued.
Did you do
Yeah.
the other side yesterday?
It torqued.
So is that the other side?
Torque is when a woman does this with her butt.
Oh God.
Okay, I'm done.
That's enough. I gotta edit that out of the video.
Smells like a bad McDonald's in here.
Yeah, the gears squeak again.
You know, Ray, you can purify cooking
Oakdale has
oil.
a.
I know.
People have been doing that, purifying cooking oil in order to.
Daddy, McDonald's.
There, that sounds better, Max.
Max, why are you on?
Um,